Hey y'all, it's Moni on Tell It As It Is, and tonight I'm going to be talking about sleeping next to someone who snores or passes gas, like, yeah, oh my goodness, like, do you ever have somebody that, like, just a friend or your boo or your whoever, wife, husband, aunt, uncle, whatever, who's sleeping next to you, and, like, you know, you up late, and you know, like, you know, it's a, and then, or whatnot, like, just farting, and stuff, next to you. And, sorry, the silent ones are the deadly ones. Oh, my goodness, it just go, you know, and you don't hear it, or, you know, all of a sudden you're like, what the, oh shit, what the hell is that? Like, oh my goodness, oh my god, I just died and crawled. Oh my goodness, like seriously, this just like, on the bed, and they just knocked out dead sleeping. And they don't know that they just passing it like it's no tomorrow. Like their stomach is boiling it during their sleep. And it's like, yeah, silent ones are the deadly ones though. But like, I think I have one coming on, but excuse me, hold on. No, I don't, never mind. But anyways, so, but yeah, like it's just like, you know, and it's just like, nasty. Oh my god, you gotta leave the room, put in the air freshener, light a candle or something. Oh my goodness. And let's not talk about the snoring now. Oh my goodness. Now you trying to sleep and it's like, what, 3 o'clock in the morning, and you just want to go to sleep or whatnot, and you just say you get up to go to the bathroom and you come back and sleep, and this person next to you is like, and so, like, you don't turn around and look at him like, are you serious? Are you serious? So I'm like, wake them up like, you snoring too hard. Like, seriously. Just, like, come on. Like, a person is, like, trying to breathe during their sleep, and you just, like, next to them, like, oh my god, I will not be able to sleep, like, seriously. Oh my goodness, it's ridiculous. For real though, but, like, you know, the snore and the gas, now if they're doing both, oh my god, that's just a killer. Like, you gonna be like, yo, son, are you serious? This is the type of person this person is? Like, you know, the truth come out in the sleep. But anyways, today the show is going to be short, so I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet today. So before I go, the question of the day is, should you kick the person who is farting or snoring off the bed while they're sleeping, or slap them while they're sleeping? Or should you just put on a mask, or like keep the air freshener next to you and suck it up and just try to sleep through that craziness? Well, anyways, that's it for today. Thank you. And join in for the next show. Okay, bye y'all.